Good morning, darling. Good morning, darling. You got strawberry on your shirt today? Strawberry on your shirt today? Yeah. And on your butt? On your butt? You feeling better today, sayang? Yes. Hannah feeling better today? Yes. Not coughing so much? But your nose still blocked a bit, sayang. Oh, Alhamdulillah. 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 Say Alhamdulillah. Clever girl. Say Alhamdulillah. Are you looking at the camera? So clever. Say hello, good morning. Say hello, good morning. Apa dia? Nak apa dia tu tangannya gerak-gerak? Nak apa dia, sayang? Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Oh. Say bye-bye. See you. Oh. Okay, that's your bye-bye. Okay.